How to use Later for social media management, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on later.com, how to manage your social media, plan, analyze and publish content in advance. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to later.com and you will get to this platform right here. Later is a very famous social media management platform that allows you to manage your content. So if you're struggling with your content on social media and if you find it hard to manage all of your social media profiles, then Later is here for you. It has a lot of different tools and options for us. So if you are an influencer or if you run a business, then it is going to be very helpful. How to get started with Later? You actually require an account. So you can sign up for later.com with your Google account or you can use your email address. There's also a pricing plan for Later that you can check out to buy the plan and get more features. So after the initial sign up or sign in to your Later, this is where you will get. Later is also available as an app. I have opened up the desktop version. You can see app.later.com. And this is what it looks like. You can see we have a lot of different options. We will be able to connect our multiple social media accounts to our Later. We can upload media. We can schedule our events. We can schedule our posts. We have our own calendar, conversions, and analytics. So let's get started. First of all, once you get to Later, this is our main dashboard. You can see at this side of the screen, you will find calendar, media, conversations, then we have analytics, link in bio, creator and brand collabs, learning center, and settings. Then we have upload media option that will allow me to upload the media, for example, pictures and videos that I want to add. Then we have our calendar and we have connect social profile to get started. Now, as a complete beginner, of course, it will show you this option again and again to remind you that you need to connect your social media. So you can see we also have options here to connect Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and many other platforms. This is our calendar view that will show me all of my scheduled posts and events. So let's get started by connecting our platform. So you can connect any of the platform. I'm going to go ahead and connect my Instagram first. So click right here and it will open up the Instagram for you. If you have already logged into your Instagram, then it becomes really easy and you can just click on allow. Otherwise, you will need to sign into your Instagram. Okay, so I have connected my Instagram. That was really easy. You can see added social profile for this one right here. This is my username on Instagram. Okay, so now you can see we have a profile added. It's showing me right here. This is my profile. I can add more as well, but for now, just for the purpose of the video, let's work with Instagram. Okay, so now I can schedule posts, I can upload media. I'm gonna go ahead and schedule a post for tomorrow because I will be busy tomorrow and I want to schedule a post in advance. How to do that? First, you're gonna select the date. This is the date for today. I'm gonna select tomorrow's date and I'm gonna select the time, which is going to be 5 p.m. So all you need to do is just click right here. So once you have selected the time and you feel like, okay, this is when I'm going to post, then we're going to upload the media. In order to upload media, you're going to go to the media section here and click on upload. So you will be able to upload from your drive or your computer. I'm going to upload from my computer. So I have uploaded these images. Now it's so easy to schedule something with Later. All you need to do is you just need to drag your content, your media to this calendar right here. Let me show you. So I'm posting this one right here. So you're going to drag it and you're going to drop it to the time where you want to post. So I'm going to drag it under tomorrow, like under the 17th. And we're going to select the time and it's going to be 5 p.m. And I'm just going to drop it right here. It will be added. Now it will open up this window for us where we can schedule our post now. So we have this image. This is the media and we're going to write a caption. So this is going to be our post caption. We can also edit an image with Later if we want to, then we can change media too. So here we can also add some hashtags or emojis, just how you will write a caption on your mobile phone. So once you've added a caption, then we have more options such as add a link in bio, we have tag people, location, first comment, and more. Similarly, we have our time right here. Again, it's showing me the scheduled time. So it's going to be for tomorrow, 5 p.m. Perfect. And it's also showing me some of the other settings such as send notification or auto publish. So if you want to get a notification when it will be published, then of course you can set up a notification before it will go live. Once you have entered all of the details right here, again, no publishing method right here, this is going to be your platform. You can see it will be posted on Instagram, and we have our caption, we have our date and day. Click on save and your post will be scheduled with later. There you go, you can see. Similarly, I can maybe post this one. All you need to do is drag and drop on your calendar. This is weekly view. If you want to go with monthly and you want to schedule things for a month, then it becomes more easy. Like get this one, post it after 2 days here. Again, just need to add captions, and then you're going to click on save and your post will be saved, just how I showed you. So this is how we schedule our post with later. It's really easy. All you need to do is just upload media and simple drag and drop onto your calendar, connect your platforms from here and schedule. So I have connected Instagram. You can of course add a new platform too. Just click on this plus button and it will allow you to add a lot of social sets right here. For now, we have Facebook, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, Instagram for free, but you can add more than that. When it comes to buying later, there is a pricing plan available that will give you more features and they will allow you to add as many platforms as you like. So we have started for $18 per month, growth for $40 per month, and advanced for $80 per month. You can go ahead and check it out. You can also save 17% if you're going with a yearly plan. So it becomes this right here. You can see starter for 15, then we have growth for $33.33 per month, and advanced for $66.67 per month. And with each plan, of course, we have different features. You will see your social set increases. For example, with this plan, you can go up to for 6 social sets. We get add-ons, unlimited post, and more. We can also connect our different platforms to our later. For example, if you want to add like more than one account, you can do that. You can add more than one users on your later. You can see with this one, we're getting 6 users, and for this one, we're getting 3 users. So here we have again click on analytics, and now it will show you the analytics for the account that you have connected. You can see right here, and we can switch between different profiles. Here I will be able to get all the stats for my account. This is really good as an influencer or a creator. Then we have conversations as well, which allows us to connect our Messenger, Instagram DMs, or our TikTok DMs right here. Also have creator and brand collab, which is available with the update plan, and you will be able to actually keep track and become more professional and get more productive with later. Save your time and your energy to become more creative and productive to run your social media. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to use later for social media management. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.